How can I treat cloudy urine appearance?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss a topic that might be a bit personal but is certainly essential to health: cloudy urine. Sometimes, our urine can change its usual clear and straw-like appearance, turning cloudy. It could be a temporary issue or, at times, a signal to underlying health conditions. We're here to help you understand this issue and offer some solutions.
What causes cloudy urine?
Cloudy urine can be caused by a variety of factors including dehydration, diet, certain medications, and urinary tract infections, UTIs. In some cases, it could also be a sign of more serious health issues like kidney stones or other urinary tract disorders. It's always essential to monitor these changes and consult a healthcare professional if the cloudiness persists or is accompanied by other symptoms.
How can I treat cloudy urine?
First and foremost, you must identify the cause. If your cloudy urine is due to dehydration, the easiest remedy is drinking more water. Staying well hydrated helps your kidneys dilute waste materials, leading to lighter, clear urine. A change in diet may also be necessary. Certain foods, especially those high in phosphates, can cause cloudy urine. Cutting down on these and increasing intake of vitamin C-rich fruits and vegetables can help improve the situation. If an infection is causing the problem, you might require antibiotics or other medications. Always consult a healthcare professional in such cases.
When should I see a doctor?
If you've tried staying hydrated and altering your diet but the cloudiness persists, it's time to consult a professional. Seek medical attention if your cloudy urine is accompanied by symptoms such as pain during urination, fever, abdominal pain, or unusual thirst. These could indicate a more serious condition requiring professional intervention. Cloudy urine can be a temporary issue or an indicator of a health condition, and it's important not to ignore this sign. Remember to stay well hydrated, eat a balanced diet, and consult a healthcare professional if the condition persists or is accompanied by other symptoms. Thank you for watching, and stay healthy.